Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can place order on Metatrader 5 app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metatrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a chart option at the bottom of this dashboard, and you can also see there are tons of symbols in this dashboard, so you can choose any of them because the process can't be same. So let me choose EURUSD, which is at the very first of this symbol section. So let's tap on that EURUSD, and now let's tap on the chart, and now you'll be redirected to the chart section, where you can see there is a red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart, which is at the just right side of this clock icons on in the screen. So let's tap on that red and blue icon, and now you can see there is a sell and buy option, and at the middle of this sell and buy there is a deviation as well. So once you complete all the things, simply tap on the sell or tap on the buy, and give me a second. First let me accept this policy, and now simply tap on the buy or sell. Let me tap on the buy, and yeah, you'll be able to take a position on Metatrader 5 successfully. So now if you want to take your position, then simply tap on the trade, and you can find your trade in here successfully, where you can see I have taken the position on EURUSD on in the screen. So yeah, basically this is how you can place your trade on Metatrader 5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.